Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. How are you all? Okay, I hope you all are good with your family. Okay, good. So today we are going to start new chapter. As I told you in my last lecture कि हम मैप करने वाले थे, but then I see other chapters like chapter 18, chapter 14. So in these chapters also map is considered. So after completion of 14, 17 and 18, 70 we have done, but after completion of 14 and 18, we start the map and then तीनों चैप्टर के हम साथ में मैप करेंगे तो आप लोगों को भी अच्छे से आइडिया रहेगा. Okay, so now we are going to start chapter number 14 of part civics. Sorry, geography. Okay, chapter 14. What is name of chapter 14? India, location, geological structure and physiography 2. Okay, page number. Just a second, na beta. Okay, here is your chapter 14. But in this chapter, we will not start from the first page. We started from page number 109. Page number 109. In this chapter, we will study about the location, then geological structure, and also physiography of India. So first, we start with the page number 109. Topic is rock. So, uh, start. Shall I start? Okay. Rock. What is rock? We all know a kind of stone. A composite matter. See, students. I. Why am I starting from this topic? Do you think? Because these topics are important for your standard 10. In standard 10, these all topics will repeat in. That's why I'm starting from this topic in this chapter. Otherwise, you all know that in all the chapters we start from the first page of respective chapter. But in this chapter, starting one or two page is not important for your standard 10th. That's why I'm starting from page number 109 in chapter number 14. Okay, so let's start. Okay, rock. A composite matter made up of one or more minerals is called rock. What is rock? Composite matter made up of one or more mineral is called rock. That means uh, any composite matter which is making with a mix of one or more mineral, then it is called rock. Rock can be hard as well as soft. Rock is not only hard, but it can be hard as well as soft. They can be porous or non-porous and can be light or heavy in weight, depends on rock. If rock is hard, then it is heavy, but when it is soft, then it is light in weight. So various types of rocks are formed due to different processes. These all are a part of science, but now we studied in our social, but we don't study the whole the process. Just one point, like various types of rocks are formed due to different processes, but which type of process that we don't know. You will study in for the studies. If you doing study further in science uh, stream, then you will study it in detail. But now we just learn and remember that the various types of rocks form due to different process, but which type of process that is not required for us. So rocks can be divided into three categories on the basis of their formation. Divided into three categories. So which are the first igneous, second stratified, third metamorphic. First igneous, second stratified, third metamorphic. So first under the first two types, intrusive and extrusive. See students, you learn this chart only with name. Nothing like nothing to understand any hard words or etc. Just you learn. If you try to read 4 to 5 times, then you can easily learn this topic. So in first type, igneous rocks, two where there is two types, intrusive and extrusive. Then in intrusive, plutonic and hypabyssal. Then in extrusive, volcanic. Then in second is stratified. So in stratified there are three: inorganic, chemically formed, and organic. And in inorganic there are three: arenaceous, argillaceous, and conglomerate. Then no one single in a chemically form, and there are two inorganic: calcareous and carbonaceous. Then the third, metamorphic, contact and regional. Clear? We studied in detail, but you just try to remember these words, because these words is little bit tough for pronunciation also, and also uh, remember. So try to speak clearly and try to learn these words with perfect spelling. Okay, study in detail. First, igneous rock. So the intense heat in the interior of the earth is responsible for the formation of this rock. What is responsible for the formation of this rock? So the intense heat in the interior of the earth means in the part of under the part deep part of earth, interior heat is the responsible for this rock. So interior of the earth remain very hot due to this heat, and so the matter here is in semi-liquid state, which is called magma. Please underline what is magma and define magma. So you can write in examination, the interior of the earth remain very hot due to the intense heat, and so the matter here is in semi-liquid state, then it is called magma. Eventually, when this magma cools down, rocks are formed. When magma cools down and that liquid form converted in hard form, then it is called rock. These rocks are formed due to the effect of heat. Hence, these are called agneya or igneous. Right? Why it is called igneous? So these rocks are formed with the effect of heat. Which type of heat? So intense heat in interior of the earth. So in the formation of the crust of the earth, these rocks were formed earliest. So these are also called primary rock. It is also called primary rock. If in examination question asking like other name of igneous rock, then you can write second name of this rock is primary rock. At many places in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, southern peninsula, in India such rocks have formed. Where is this type of rocks form in India? Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Southern Peninsula. The indigenous rock are most solid of all rock. So granite is a well-known example of plutonic rock. Basalt is also this type of rock. See students, here the give the example of the plutonic rock. Granite is one of the best example of plutonic. So first complete, second stratified rock. Uh, Igneous rock disintegrate due to the collective effect of water and other forces. These are also known as sedimentary rocks. So the broken rock material is constantly deposited in water. When broken rock, a rock which is break, that material is constantly deposited in water and then they form a layer. Then this rock material is deposited into different layers, and then upper layers exert pressure over the layers of underlying rocks, which were formed initially and are lying at the bottom, and eventually rocks are formed with different layer. Then it is called stratified. When rock is formed by step, I mean layer by layer, like first broken rock material is constantly deposited in water, then deposit in different layer, and mostly upper level exert pressure to the other layers of underlying rocks, and then in starting at the bottom eventually rocks form with different layers, then it is called stratified rocks. Example like a gypsum, limestone, and coal. These three examples of stratified rocks. Coal and gypsum mostly obtained from Bihar and Jharkhand, because at Jharkhand most of the minerals, mines and etc. are there. So coal and gypsum are obtained from the Bihar and Jharkhand state. Then the third is metamorphic rocks. In certain peculiar conditions, the form, composition, and other characteristics of rock are totally changed. In some certain conditions, mostly form, composition, and other characteristics of rock are totally changed. Due to height, rocks were melt, then it is also change the form. So due to the combined effect of two factors, one high temperature and pressure of rock strata, the igneous and sedimentary rocks change into totally new form, and then it is called metamorphic rocks. Marble and quartzite are available in Rajasthan and are their best example of this. Clear? Okay. Uh, Next mineral we start, but before that you just read this. These all separate topic ask as a short note in examination. First you read this and then you read on page number 110. Then we will start the minerals. Okay. Now read these three types in detail. You have 1 or 2 minutes. Just read and try to learn the hard words. If you can't read properly some words, then you read at least 2 to 3 times. Done, student? And please also tick marker. See in first definition of magma, then granite is an example, then places like Rajasthan MP, like these points underline in one, first, second and in third. Come on, fast read. Then we start the next topic. Okay, done. 30 seconds left. 20, 19, 18, 17, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, done. Okay, good. I hope you all read perfectly and also understand perfect. Then next is mineral. What is mineral? So mineral is that matter which is formed due to natural organic and inorganic process. Due to some process like organic and inorganic, and has a specific chemical composition. Which composition? Specific chemical composition. So minerals are available from the interior of the earth in solid, liquid and gases. इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ मीन्स ये जो हमारी अर्थ है ना उनके नीचे का पार्ट, उनके अंदर का पार्ट. सो solid, liquid and gaseous form. So mineral depends on the geological structure of the surface of the minerals such as iron, copper, nickel, gold, silver, etc. These all types of minerals you will study in standard 10th in science subject are found in igneous rock. Minerals such as iron, copper, nickel, gold, silver, etc. Then coal, mineral oil and natural gas, etc. are available from stratified rocks, while slate, marble, diamonds are available from metamorphic rocks. See, mostly types of minerals are available from the first three types of rocks, igneous, then stratified and then metamorphic. In the third line, minerals such as iron, copper, nickel, gold and silver are found in igneous rock. Then coal, mineral oil and natural gas available from stratified, and slate, marble and diamond are available from metamorphic. Please underline this point. Now classification of mineral. In our routine life, about 200 minerals are used directly or indirectly, but we don't know. When we use directly, then we know, but when we used indirectly, then we don't know. So a universally accepted classification of mineral is not possible. However, general classification can be done. First, metallic and then non-metallic, metallic and non-metallic, and energy resource. In metallic, precious metallic, light metallic, mineral of general use and mineral of used alloys. First, precious metallic. So gold, silver and platinum are the precious metallic. Then magnesium, bauxite and titanium are the light magnet metallic. Then iron, copper, lead, zinc, tin, nickel, these all are minerals for the general use. Then chromium, manganese, then tungsten and vanadium, that is used alloys. These four including in first metallic, then non-metallic. So limestone, chalk, asbestos, mica, fluorspar, gypsum, sulfur, and diamond, etc. are the considered as a non-metallic minerals. And energy resource: coal, mineral, oil, and natural gas, uranium, thorium, etc. See students, this table it is useful for you to the making a map, because when will you draw a map on this type of this kind of things, then you have to know in which state iron is available. So if you remember Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, then you the mark in Jharkhand as a iron. So this table is very useful for the map. Now we just read, then you have to learn for the map. And we will again study this table at the time when we will doing map. Okay. So first iron. So Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, then manganese. So in Karnataka, Odisha, MP, Maharashtra and Goa. Then copper in Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Maharashtra, West Bengal, MP and Jharkhand. Then bauxite, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Gujarat. Then lead in Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Sikkim and Gujarat. Then Mika, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar and Jharkhand. Then limestone, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. Here the seven minerals give and a state of that. So you read this topic. You have 2 minutes. You read the about minerals, then classification of minerals, then minerals and state. If possible, then learn the state. Any 2 to 3 name you need to learn. Not all the states. For the map, only for the map you need to learn at least 2 to 3 state. But for the examination questions, you learn all the state. Okay, your time start now. Start reading. You have 2 minutes. Mineral. First read the paragraph, then classification, and then minerals, and for respective mineral related state. See students, I have trust on you कि आप read कर रहे हो and proper utilize of this time. That's why I provide and I give you a reading time between my lectures or topics. So please be honest and utilize this time properly and perfectly. Sorry, just by mistake the page we will scroll. Okay, done. Still you have 40 seconds. If you read one time, then start again. You have 40 seconds again. Still you have 40 seconds. Read again. Repeat. Okay. Done? Done. Chalo. See students, in this chapter we study the rock, then types, then formation in detail, then minerals definition, then classification of minerals, and then minerals and related states to the respective mineral. So in today's homework you have to write a short note on rock. You cover all the points of this chart and these three in detail. Then second question, write a short note, define mineral. Then write a classification of mineral in chart form. Then write the major minerals and their special distribution. I mean to say this table. This table you have to write one time in rough book and one time in fair book. And other topics are directly write in your fair note one time. Okay, so complete. I hope you enjoy lecture, and from the next lecture we'll start the next topic, soil. In that topic different types of soil, classification, etc. given. We'll study in next lecture, but just now I told you, so be prepared. And also read these two topic in homework and also write. Okay, as I say in all the lectures, now I also tell you, please submit your homework regularly with your class teacher. Okay, done. And please revise the other chapters which we have already done, like chapter number 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 12, 7 and 17. See, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 and 17. Total 8 chapter we have done. So please start the revision. I will start the revision for all the chapters, but after completion of the course. So till that you revise by yourself at your home. Okay? And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me through comment or when we will meet in Google Meet meeting. Okay? I try to cover all the topics. Still you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, so now goodbye everyone. I hope you all enjoy this lecture. Okay, and please share this video, because most of the students uh, can't go to school. All the students can't go to school, but in the most of these school, online lectures is not started. So for that students, this video is also useful. So please जितना हो सके उतना स्प्रेड करो, तो वो स्टूडेंट्स भी पढ़ सके जिनकी स्कूल में से लेक्चर्स प्रोवाइड नहीं होते. Okay, you have my YouTube link. Okay, so share and subscribe for my other videos. Okay, goodbye everyone. Please, again I tell you, do your homework regularly and submit with to your class teacher. Okay, goodbye everyone. Have a good day.